In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to design neck tag templates in Cricut Design Space. We're going to be using heat transfer vinyl for this project. This is going to be a step-by-step guide, so go ahead and grab a pen and paper. This project is perfect for us Cricut users that like doing everything ourselves. I know that there's easier ways to get templates if you want to go ahead and order some, but for people like us that want to just make everything and customize it, this is going to be perfect for you. Everything used in this video is going to be linked in the description, and if you have any questions, meet me in the comment section. I upload videos daily on helping you grow your clothing brand, so if you find value in this video, hit that subscribe and smash that like button. Let's get right into it and open up Cricut Design Space. All right, now that we have Cricut Design Space open, we're going to want to go ahead and hit Shapes. And then we're going to want to go hit a square. And then hit unlock and then stretch it out into a rectangle. Now you can do whatever you want with this template that I'm showing you guys. Get as creative as you want. I'm gonna make this very simple in this video, just, you know, for the sake of this video, but take what you learn from here and expand, branch, be complex as you want. But if you're just starting out, just steal this template and start with this one. It's gonna be very simple. So now we're going to want to duplicate our rectangle that we just made, and then let's lay it right on top of it. Let's zoom in, and then hit unlock, and then we're going to make the top one slightly smaller than, slightly smaller than the bottom layer. Just like that. Perfect. Now that we've made the top layer smaller than the bottom layer, go ahead and highlight it and then hit slice. What that's going to do is give us a layer that just has the border. So now delete the layers that you don't want. And then right here, go ahead and duplicate this 2 times. Now grab one of them. And then we're going to lay it right under it, just like that. And then this third one, we're gonna want to make this a square, or more like a small rectangle, I would say, or whatever this ends up being. And then boom, there we go. Perfect. Now highlight the whole thing, hit combine, and then unite. That's gonna keep it all together. Now let's go ahead and fill up these blanks. I'm gonna be very simple. I'm gonna just type, the recipe. I'm gonna go ahead and do impact only because this is very easy to cut. All right. Boom. A little bit smaller. Perfect. All right, add one more. We're gonna hit L for large. This is a large shirt that we have. Boom. And then right here we'll just say wash cold, dry, low heat. That could say whatever it is that you want. That's just what it's gonna say for me. Let's go ahead and shrink it up a little bit. Boom, there we go. Now let's highlight it, combine, and then hit unite again. And then boom, now it's gonna be one layer. Now from here, just go ahead and go to the size and then just make it any size you want. I'm gonna start at 3.5 inches, but what I'm gonna do is duplicate it 3 times so that it gives me 4 different sizes, right? So this one, I'm gonna make this one a tad bit smaller. Let's make this one a tad bit bigger. And this one will make it like a good amount bigger. Now I'm gonna have 4 to choose from, so when I lay it on there, I could see which one I wanna do next. So let's go ahead and hit make it. And then just line these up however you want, you know, however you want to do it to save the most vinyl. So right here, I'm only going to be wasting 7 inches. Now, let's go ahead and mirror our design because we're working with heat transfer vinyl, so you do want to mirror your design. Now, let's go ahead and hit continue. And I'm going to load this into the vinyl cutter, and I'm going to peel it. And I'm going to meet you guys at my heat press because I don't think you guys need to see that part. But yeah, I will meet you guys at my heat press so we can go over how to properly apply this on there. All right, so I have my neck tack peeled. For this to work out the best, we're gonna want to go ahead and flip this inside out. It's gonna make it a lot easier when we're pressing, so we're not like, you know, messing up the collar or folding it, because I hate when I see people pulling on the collar to try to apply their neck tag. It's extremely unnecessary. All right. All right, so we're gonna want to remove this tag just because it's gonna, you know, make it a little bit more professional that we have just ours on there. So this right here is a unstitching tool. You can find it on Amazon or on Dollar Tree. This is what we're going to use to just go ahead and boom, it slides right off like butter. All right, now I have this heat resistant matte glove. I'm going to want to place it right here. It's going to go ahead and just protect the other layer so that, you know, it doesn't press the collar on the other side. Boom, there we go. All right, now because this is regular heat transfer vinyl, we're gonna want to go ahead and do this for, let's go ahead and do 12 seconds. That seems about safe. Perfect. Oh yeah, I'm happy with that. That came out real dope. All right, if you made it this far into the video, I just want to say thank you, and I'm very proud of you. If you found value in this video, please hit that subscribe, smash that like, and meet me in the comment section if you guys have any questions. I drop videos weekly. If you guys want me to answer any of your questions specifically or make any videos to anything, meet me in the comment section and let me know. Thank you guys.